Hello, I hope you enjoy this video which explains the names of the 32 counties of Ireland. Now in the Irish language, Conte means county. Conte, county. Conte, 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 Conte. Now Conte means counties, counties. Conte, Conte. Éire in Irish means Ireland, and that means the whole island, and it also means the Republic of Ireland, which is the state of Ireland. Éire. Na Heron means of Ireland, of Ireland. Na Heron, Na Heron. Contathe na Heron would therefore mean the counties of Ireland. Contathe na Heron. Contathe na Heron. We start with the Ulster counties, and we begin with Tir Connell, which is up in the northwest. Tir Connell. Tir in Irish means land, and so Tir Connell means the land of Connell. Tir Connell. It is also called Dún Nangal, which means the fortress of the invader. Dún Nangal. The next county we look at is another Ulster county, County Derry. Derry. Derry in Irish means Oak Grove. Oak Grove. Derry. Derry. Now Derry is also called Londonderry in English. Londonderry. In Irish it's called Derry. The next county, still in Ulster, is Antrim. Antrim. Now Antrim is an Irish word which means a solitary ridge, a solitary mountain ridge. Antrim. 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 After that we have Tir Owen, which means the land of Owen. Tir Owen. Tir once again means land. Tir Owen, the land of Owen. Now we have the next Ulster county, which is Fermanagh. Fermanagh. Now a Fermanagh in Irish is the Irish word for a monk or a holy person. Fermanagh. 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 After that we have another Ulster county, on Cavan, or on Cawan, which means the hollows. On Cawan, the hollows. On Cawan. On Cawan. Next we have Muinechan. Muinechan is another Ulster county, and that means the field on the side of the hill, or the hill field. Muinechan. 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 Now we have Ardmacha, or Ardwacha. Now Ardwacha means the height of the goddess Macha, who is an Irish warrior goddess who had two other associates. One was called Bav and the other one was called Navan. Ardwacha. We now have a county on the east side of Ulster, Doon. Now Doon simply means the fortress, or the fort. Doon. Doon. We now leave Ulster and go into the province of Connacht, and we start with the most northerly county, which is Leitrim. Leitrim means the grey ridge, the grey mountain ridge, Leitrim, Leitrim. After that we have Schligach, Schligach. Schligach is a mound of seashells, Schligach, and that's because there's the river there is rich in seashells. Schligach, mound of seashells, Schligach. After that we have Ross Common. Now Ross is a woodland and Common was a saint, so it's the woodland of Saint Common. Common also is an Irish word which means a daisy, a woodland daisy, so it could mean the rose of the rose of the woodland of the daisies, the daisy woodland. But there was a Saint Common. Muyo, Muyo means the plain of the yew trees. Muyo. Mui means plain and yo means yew trees. Muyo, the plain of the yew trees. After that we have Gaelf, Gaelf. Gaelf means stony river. It's an ancient stony river flowing through Galway, and it was mentioned in Roman times. Gaelf. Gaelf. Now we then move into the province of Munster, and the first county we meet is An-Clár. An-Clár means the board, and that's related, of course, to the seaboard. An-Clár. You could call it Clár na Mara, the seaboard. An-Clár, the board. An-Clár. And then we have Limnach, which is also in Munster. Limnach, or sometimes pronounced Limrock. Limnach means the bare spot or the bare place. It means a sort of a place that was cleared, a bare spot, there's nothing there. Limnach, Limnach, or Limrock. We then come to County Kerry, which is still in Munster. Kerry, Conde Kerry. Kerry means the offspring of Keir. It also means brown-skinned people. Kerry, the brown-skinned tribe, the brown-skinned tribe. So next comes Corky. Corky means marshland or marshes in English. So Corky is marshes, and that's County Cork, of course. Next we come to Port Larga. Now Port Larga means the port of a person called Larga, or the person called Larga. Larga was related to the Vikings, so Port Larga, the port of Larga, Larga's port. After that we have another Munster county, Tibrid Arran. Tibrid Arran. Tibrid means well, and Arran is a river, so the well of the river Ara is what Tibrid Arran means. The well of the river Ara, Tibrid Arran. Tipperary. We now enter into the 12 counties of Leinster, beginning with Kilkenny. Now Kil means church, and Canny was a saint, so it's the church of Saint Canny. Kilkenny. Kilkenny. After that we have Caherlock. Caherlock means the place of the cattle. It was a watering place where the cattle were watered. Caherlock. Caherlock. After that we have Loch Garman. Loch Garman. Once again, a Viking connection. Loch is the loch where the Vikings used to come in, and Garman was one of those Vikings who used to invade Ireland at the time. Loch Garman. We then have Laois. Laois means it's related to the people of Lion. Lion was a leader at that time, and Laois was his people, so it's Laois, the people of Lion. After that we have Kilwanton or Kilmonton. Now Kilmonton, Kil means church and Monton means toothless. So it's the church of the toothless saint. It was a saint who was beaten by the pagans so that he lost all his teeth. Kilwanton, the church of the toothless one. Kildara, once again, Kil means church, so now we're getting Church of the Oakland. Kildara, Church of the Oakland area. Kildara. After that we have Uofali. Ifali. Ifali means the tribe of Fali. Fali was a leader or a chieftain in Ireland long ago, and this was where his people lived. Uofali or Ifali means descended from Fali. We then have on Ear V, Westmeath, on Ear V, which means the western middle. Ear means west, and V means middle, so it's the western middle bit. On Ear V. On Ear V. After that we have on Longfort. On Longfort. On Longfort means the port for the ships. So it's related here to the River Shannon. On Longfort, the place where the ships come in the River Shannon. On Longfort. On V, that's the ancient royal county of the Kings of Ireland. On V, the middle bit, on middle, the middle, on V, that's where the kings were crowned in Tara. Tara is on V. The plains of Meath, on V. Meath. Then we come to the smallest county in Ireland, which is Lugh. Now Lugh was a Celtic god of light and genius, and he was also the father of Cuchulainn, so this county is called after him, Lugh. Lugh, the god of light and genius, the Celtic god of light and genius. That's. And finally we come to another small county in size but not in population, Auclia. Auclia means the ford of the rapids. It's where the rapids all appeared on the river and they had to be forded, and Auclia is the ford of the rapids, and that of course is Dublin. Slán go fóill, bye for now. Slán go fóill, bye for now.